Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a waterfront investment opportunity. This is an investor's dream. This oceanfront, fully furnished and equipped, 8-unit apartment villa sits on approximately half acre of land. It comes with a swimming pool and a gazebo. It is tucked away on the beautiful shoreline of Discovery Bay, St. Anne. Ideal to be used for short or long-term rental. The savvy investor can start earning income as is or have it curated into a modern, multi-unit tourism dream. This gated landscaped complex has facilities that include a laundry with washing machine and tub, outdoor bathroom, water tank for each apartment, general water tank and ample parking. Leveland space on the waterfront is prime for further development. It is close to Puerto Seco Beach, supermarkets, gas stations, and 30 to 45 minutes from Montego Bay or Ocho Rios. This sought after area is the new place to invest. Make your offer now. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 995,000 or Jamaican $153.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.